Hi. Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today it's again we're coming back with another video unboxing all the things I've got for my birthday, even though it's been nearly 1 month after my birthday. But honestly, it's so hot here. I don't know how I'm coping. Let me leave the door open. 1 second. Better. We'll see. Sorry about the noise. If there's any noise coming from outside, the door is open because I am currently in sauna. But it's all good because I'm very excited to show you guys what I have for my I'm so excited I can't even talk to you guys actually. What I got for my birthday. All the gifts are here. Well, some of them are here. Mainly I received a lot of cash this year. And I'm really excited to share them with you. If you guys don't like these kind of videos, I do them yearly. If you don't like to see them, please skip or just subscribe and wait for the ones that you like to see, maybe. But yeah, I know I haven't done any videos recently on YouTube because I've just been busy with my personal life and my other things that I have to do in life that I don't really share with you guys. But hopefully bit by bit we'll get onto those, and I'll be back very soon. Well, I mean, I am back, but back in as in more consistent. Yes. So after 2 years of introduction, let's start unboxing. It is very hot, I'm sorry. The first thing I received is these rose Yankee candles. They are fabulous. I love them, and they smell so delicious. Is that how you describe her? For all of you who are watching this video, my sister-in-law is sitting here and like watching me filming this, and it feels so awkward to actually talk to you guys because she's literally sitting there. But we're this is her actual expression right now. I don't think they can see you now. She's asking if you guys can see her, but no. You can see. So my second gift is this shower set from Bailey's and Harding shower set. Looks like this. It smells so good. It smells unreal. I can't wait to use these actually. My next gift. Oh, actually guys, I've dyed my hair. I don't know if any of you noticed on my Insta stories, but I really like how it turned out. And I actually cut my hair as well recently. I don't know if you guys can tell, but yes, it's a little bit lighter than usual, but yeah. Anyway, back to the gifts. My second gift, my third gift actually, my third one is this body scrub by Rituals. It's good, no? It's a bit sweet, but like almondy sweet. Don't eat it. She goes wants to eat it. Yeah, it smells really good. Really good. And I then received the body cream. There were no gift box. I assume this smells the same, so it's just the body cream. Really love the packaging actually. So cool. Yeah, this is more subtle because it's the body cream, but they smell the same. Yeah, this is for that. And next up I have this perfume. People close to me, they know that for like perfume, I like more of like a masculine scent. like usually I go for men's perfume. Hermes Original for men that I use fairly regularly is again a perfume from a friend of mine that I love and adore, and it's obviously Valentino. It's called Blush by Valentino, and it looks like this. Do you like it? Yeah, it obviously the same color as the packaging, but it's very unique and it smells so incredible. Why does it not focus? Doesn't focus. Okay, maybe you can see it better here. The other perfume that I just put on recently, the Tiffany & Co, that was too overpowering, so I can't really smell this right now, but I've tried it on the other day and it smells amazing. Try it. اون عمر دادم شو میگه
نازه بوش. به این بوش خیلی نازه. دوستم میدونید بوی ناز چیه؟ چقدر این رنگی بهت میاد وقتی گرفته بودیش جلوت. اگه یه لباس رنگی داشته باشه خیلی خفنه.
She said basically it smells pretty. Very pretty. Just like the packaging. Yeah, actually it is very pretty. It's a pretty perfume with a pretty smell. Very nice. Whoever bought me this perfume, you know who you are. Thank you very much, and I love it. If you don't watch my videos, I'm coming for you. Then you didn't get this message, so let's see. Next is another perfume that I haven't opened, but I went and did, before I opened actually, I wasn't sure about the name. It's called Black Opium by Yves Saint Laurent. I wasn't really, you know, I was in two minds about it, and I went to the nearest perfume shop. I said I need to smell this perfume to see if I should open it or not, because once you open it obviously you have to keep it. So the lady gave me like a little sample. I tried it and I was like, oh, it was so good. It was so delicious. This perfume is, I believe, coffee and chocolate, I think, and it smells like coffee and chocolate, but in more of a sexy way. Like, it's so good. Should we open it? Let's open it together. Yay! Can't wait to use it actually. I've been dying to use some of these items, and for the purpose of this video I didn't really open them. It's got a really strong smell to it again, hence why the name Black Opium. Ta-da! It's 90 ml. This one was 50 ml. And Valentino was 80 ml. So yeah, this one is the biggest one so far. And I think I'm supposed to open it. Are you? Oh yeah, this is very stiff. Wow. Okay. I want to try this. By the end of this video, I'm gonna smell like heaven. It's so good, huh? So good. So good. خیلی خاصه بوش. It's very unique, no? You don't smell it on everyone.
Yeah.
Not everyone has this. But the lady said it was the best seller, so I'm assuming we're all gonna smell the same. And my next.
Wait.
You know, tell me, what do you think it's inside this box. Love it. I've been dying to wear these sneakers, but I haven't had the time to actually unbox them with you, but now I will. So honestly, these are so special. They are a piece of art. They are very special to me, and I love these two pieces. My genuine review without wearing them. I love these. Shall we try them on? Yes, let's do it. She's drinking. I'll show you my trousers in a bit. Can you see the trousers? This? She says it matches my hair. I don't know how, in what way, but let's go for it. Mom, چرا رفتی داره؟
نمیدونم گرفتی شده صورتت خیلی به صورتت میومد.
Okay, I'll wear it on my head. She says it matches your face. I was like, what? She said, I don't know, it just goes with the aesthetic of your hair and everything. I was like, okay, I'll put it on my head then. But I do love this. They look so big on camera. Oh my god. They are big, don't get me wrong, but they do look massive on camera, no?
نه اتفاقا پاتو اصلا بزرگ نکردم.
Really?
خیلی هم پاتو جمع جور کردم.
I feel like they're so big. Okay, apparently they're not. So let's move on. Yeah, these are special. I'm gonna sleep with these tonight. Not sleep with them. Put them on and sleep. Okay. Let's take a break, okay? I need a drink.
درن 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 درن.
Thank you very much. My assistant, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go to unbox. I'm actually going to change the camera setup so you guys can actually see what I'm unboxing. I'll show you a sneak peek inside. If you guys can guess what it is, let me know in the comments below. What do you think it is? And any guesses? Ha 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 ha! Let's unbox it. I can't wait anymore. Come on, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. So I've just changed the camera setup for you so you guys can actually see how I'm unboxing this baby. I can't see to unbox it. As you can see, there's dust on the actual packaging. That's how long I kept it to actually show it to you guys. So this beauty has been sitting here for a while and it hasn't been cleaned. But yeah, let's go and open my baby. So pretty, so pretty, you're so pretty. So I ordered the yellow gold, a mother of pearls amulet, the Cartier. I think that's how you say it. I actually had to Google it to see how you pronounce the name. I cannot wait. So at the moment I'm wearing my Tiffany love necklace that I love to death. I love this so much. I wear it every day. And this is the first time taking it off after so long, so yeah. Bye bye. Okay, let's go ahead and put this baby on. I'll show you guys how it looks on. It's got two different locks that you can actually obviously adjust it to however low or high you want it to be. I want it to sit right here, there, so I'll go for the shorter option. There we go, you can see it better. I love it. Honestly, I love it so much, but I love you too, baby, so that's it. God, I just need to dedicate one video for this beautiful princess on my neck. I love her so much. Until the next one, see you guys. Bye.